Okay, hey guys, welcome to another video for simonsvideo.com, and my name is Simon Tay, and today I'm going to do a DIY battery storage. And I have gotten a lot of these batteries from my dumpster dive, especially those portable electric fans and speakers and things like that with rechargeable lithium-ion batteries. But I need to store them properly so that I can charge them and use them whenever I need. So let's get down to the battery storage. First thing first is the negative and the positive side. Try not to touch them and try to insulate them in a way that you do not have connected in series counting. You do not want them to short circuit, and you do not want things from positive to negative to connect to each other. So I found a box such as this, something that is higher than the battery and something that is squarish and easy to manage. And you go to buy a cardboard. It can be a cardboard. I got this from Art Friend. It can be any hard board or cardboard, or even those normal boxes that you can cut it up. And I've cut a couple of strip of this. Try to measure about 3 cm high. The reason why I measure 3 cm because I want it to be slightly lower than AAA batteries. Right, so make sure the length and the breadth is just nice, just like that. And then I'll be cutting slots up to the half of the height of each of these slots, and measure accordingly and slot it accordingly so that I can actually put it in such a way that you can actually put in multiple chambers or cubicles, and it will be pretty fine. I'll skip to that and I'll show it to you how the final output of this will be. Okay, so this partly completed. As you can see, I can slot in a battery, just like that, slot it in. And how I created this is actually very simple. This thing is just you cut one slot here and cut the other slot here, and even if it's the width is different, you just cut accordingly so that it will be flush against this two part, so that it will be like flat in such a way. So just slot it in, and you'll be flattened on the top, and simply just put it into the box. And all I need to do is replicate this process for a few times. Okay, I'm going to show you how I did all this in a very short time. First thing is to cut this. Okay, inside I've measured according to the size of 18650, the distance. You can measure the same for the next and the next and next, or you can use one as a template and then just overlay it in such a way, and then just cut away. After you cut, you just put on top and then cut the second time to cut through, and then just cut it right across. And after you cut once, you didn't cut through, just overlay to the existing template and then just cut deeper into the cardboard. After you cut deeper from both sides, simply cut the notch here, just a little push through on both sides, just like that, and just peel it off. The next thing is to put everything together accordingly and slot it in so that you can actually put the battery inside. Okay, final step is to put everything into the box. Oops. Am I putting it the correct orientation? Yay! After you fill up all your batteries, and you can put what call it, desiccant minerals that suck in all the moisture, humidity in the air. Put it in and cover it up and store for future use. Yay!